Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of Forex trading? Well, you're not alone. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is increasingly playing a pivotal role in the Forex market, transforming the way we trade. Gone are the days of traditional trading methods, replaced by complex algorithms and machine learning models that can predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy. It's a brave new world out there. In the next few minutes, we will explore the role of AI in Forex trading. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence and how does it fit into Forex trading? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from experiences, understanding complex content, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Now let's dive into how AI fits into the world of Forex trading. Forex trading, being a highly dynamic and complex environment, generates vast amounts of data. AI steps in here, analyzing this colossal data, spotting trends, and developing prediction models. It's like having a superhuman trader who never sleeps, continually processing and learning from the data stream. AI also powers automated trading systems, often called Forex robots. These robots can execute trades at lightning speed based on the strategies they've been programmed with, delivering efficiency and precision beyond human capabilities. Essentially, AI in Forex trading is about making smarter, faster, and more accurate trading decisions. But why should traders consider integrating AI into their trading strategies? Well, the benefits are manifold. First off, AI increases accuracy in Forex trading. It can analyze market trends and predict future movements with a higher degree of precision than any human trader could. Moreover, AI brings speed and efficiency to the table. It can process and interpret vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, allowing for quick decision-making. This is crucial in the fast-paced world of Forex trading where every second counts. But it's not just about speed and accuracy. AI can also potentially lead to higher profits. By identifying profitable trading opportunities that a human might miss, AI can help maximize returns. And let's not forget the ability of AI to process and analyze large volumes of data. This means it can monitor multiple currency pairs simultaneously, increasing the opportunities for profitable trades. The power of AI can help traders stay ahead of the curve and potentially reap greater rewards. However, like any technology, AI in Forex trading isn't without its potential pitfalls. It's a double-edged sword that needs to be handled with care. One of the major challenges is the over-reliance on technology. Traders may be tempted to let AI do all the work, neglecting the importance of human intuition and experience in the trading process. Moreover, while AI is incredibly accurate, it's not infallible. Errors can and do occur. An incorrectly programmed algorithm could lead to catastrophic financial losses. Therefore, constant monitoring and regular updating of AI systems are crucial to minimize these risks. In addition, the dynamic nature of the Forex market means that AI systems need to be adaptable. An AI that can't adjust to new market conditions quickly enough could result in missed opportunities or unexpected losses. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in Forex trading are undeniable and continue to attract increasing interest from traders around the world. As we've seen, AI is making a significant impact on the world of Forex trading. It's redefining the landscape with its ability to analyze massive datasets, predict market trends, and execute trades with unrivaled speed and precision. The benefits, from increased efficiency to minimized human error, are compelling. Yet we must not forget the risks and challenges, such as ethical considerations and the need for robust regulations. The future of Forex trading is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.